Okay guys, welcome to your ninth tutorial. In this we're going to look at the for loop. I'm going to start running this there, but sometimes it takes a while to finish and it'll be too long just not doing anything here and waiting for it to build. So we let it run there and let it build down here and that'll take its time. But let's just go through what we have, right? So this for loop is basically saying is with int your I is equal to 0, it's less than 20, and then we want to increment it every time, okay? And this is the output we're going to get. We'll look at the output here more in a second. Okay, just let's go through what the conditions actually say to you. Okay, so here we go. Given the value of I, first through the loop I is 0, so we'll print out I. Okay, then it increments it to 1. Goes through it again, I is 1, so prints the value I is 1. Goes through 1, goes to 2, prints out 2, all the way through to 19. Okay, so there you go. That's simple enough. Make sure you put the brackets in the right places, or else you'll be looking at your code wondering why it's not running. But that's it. It's basically a for loop, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.